Hello, and thank you for choosing the Douglas County Health Department COVID-19 testing site. This video tutorial will take you through a step-by-step guide on how to make an appointment for a COVID test at our curbside COVID-19 testing site located at the Tuscola Outlet Mall. To start out this tutorial, you will want to navigate to our website, which is dchealthdept.org. Once you have reached the screen, you will then want to navigate down to the appointment-based COVID-19 testing section on the screen. From there, you will then want to click the corresponding button where it says Make a COVID-19 Test Appointment. Once you click that button, it will take you to the following screen. This screen just gives some basic information about our testing site, including hours of operation and a few notes. These notes are, for a PCR lab test, it is required that you provide a proof of valid health insurance, whether it be during the appointment-making process or at the time of testing. Another note is, any rapid tests that are scheduled, the patient must be symptomatic to be able to receive a rapid test. From this point, you will be able to then scroll down to where it says Make a COVID-19 Testing Appointment. You will then want to click on this button and it will bring you to the next screen. This next screen is your actual appointment making section. From here, you will then want to scroll down, go to the date you wish to be tested, and the time block you wish to be tested in. You will then click on the time block and be brought to the next screen. This next screen offers 3 different options that you can choose from: a COVID-19 PCR lab test, a COVID-19 rapid test, or both a COVID-19 PCR and rapid test. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will choose a PCR lab test. You will then want to click on the checkbox and click Register. Please note, only one appointment can be made per patient. If multiple patients require an appointment, you will have to schedule multiple appointments. Once you have clicked the Register button, you will be brought to the next page. This next page allows you to input some information that we will require, including your email, your phone number, your front and back of your insurance. After this, you will be asked a few minor questions, including, does the patient live in a congregate setting? Yes or no? Is this the patient's first COVID-19 test? Yes or no? Is the patient employed in a healthcare environment? Yes or no? Has the patient recently been hospitalized? Yes or no? Has the patient recently been in intensive care unit or ICU? Yes or no? Is the patient pregnant? Yes or no? After this, then it will be asked that you enter some more information, including your first and last name, your date of birth, your gender, and your race. You will also be asked to input your home address, including your zip code, city, and state. After this, you will be asked one final question. If you answer yes to is the patient experiencing any symptoms, you will then have a larger drop-down come in. You are then asked to click any and all of the following symptoms. Once you have clicked any of the symptoms, you will then want to go and scroll down and enter the date that you had started those symptoms. After this, you will then click the Continue button. From that point, you will then be brought to another screen. Once you click Continue and you are brought to the next screen, it will then ask you to confirm that all of your information is correct. You can scroll through and ensure all information is correct. Once you have confirmed, you can then submit your registration. Once you submit your registration, you will be emailed a confirmation of your appointment creation. This concludes the tutorial on how to make a COVID-19 test appointment at the Douglas County Health Department testing site. Thank you and have a great day.